morning to all. My name is Yashwandrana. Today I do one experiment. Things to do. The experiment are a matchbox, one glass, and one candle, plate, and some color water. Do the experiment. The candle put in the plate and we take a match. The match is very dangerous. Okay. Now pour some color water into the plate. You put any color. I choose red. Now we put the glass around the candle. This way. The colored water lightly goes into the glass and the candle unlighted. Thank you.
Moral is the heat from the candle starts to create a vacuum inside the glass. The liquid forms an air-tight seal around the edge and the vacuum inside sucks the liquid into the glass. Thank you.